Hey, hi everybody. Welcome to another video of Anna, and thanks again for joining us. So in this video, we'll again talk about memories and how we can use Hannah's shared knowledge base and shared memories to accelerate our work. So here I'm asking Hannah to give me the Hanabi brand color palette, right? Because I want to paste it in ChatGPT because I'm trying to create some image and that image is not really looking like that of our brand, right? So I want Hannah to give me the brand color palette. This kind of questions or questions like these could be asked by multiple team members, especially new joiners, or sometimes bigger companies or bigger teams have like very widespread knowledge. Like there could be things in multiple places. There could be certain things that you want someone to remember. There's a lot of scattered information, right? So you want to collate it, and that is exactly what Hannah will help you do. So here she has given me the exact brand colors of Hanabi, and these are the exact hex codes. So these are the memory sources which we have ingested in Hana from where she is getting this information. So this is the HANA product development space. This is the Google chat space which we have ingested as memory. So HANA can ingest Google chat spaces several years back and she can squeeze out the knowledge from those chat spaces. And this is another chat space where I may have mentioned this or I may have asked HANA only this question previously, maybe for another demo or something. And this is the exact memory that are deliberately added as a text memory. So here I'm going to show you how you can add this text memory. So here I'm in the HANA dashboard and you can see that I am going to this general memory tab and I'm just trying to search for that particular memory, right? So this is not that particular memory. This is the first search result. I think it's probably the third result over here. So you can search for your memories by using this search bar. You can create the memories, and these are multiple types of memories in the memory module. There are certain tabs which are only visible to Hanabi employees because we are the product developers. But there is Google Drive memory, which is like mostly used for Google Sheet ingestion. There is text memory. There is doc memory. You can ingest Google Docs, you can ingest PDFs, you can ingest docx files. We are also planning to release the image-based memory, but that's not released yet. You can even ingest audio messages or like general audio. You can even record yourself, and Hannah will put it into a transcript and then she will add it. So here you can see I have opened the create memory pop-up. Here I'm just adding like the Lakshya's birthday is 19th September, and this is like a very this is what we call as the birthday demo. So I will ask Hannah to remember a person's birth date, and then I'll go to Google Chat and I will ask Hannah when is the birthday of that particular person. So in that case, Hannah will tell me that the birthday is 19th December or like whatever. I think I put September. And if I delete that memory and ask her again, she'll say, I don't know. Right. So this is just a birthday test, we call it. This is just a demo of how you can store information in HANA, whether it's a single line, whether it's a big paragraph, a Google Doc. It could be a Google Chat space as well. It could be, there are multiple types of memory. HANA can even track Google Chat spaces. She will ingest memories every day over the last 24 hours. So here I'm doing the birthday test, right? I'm saying, Hannah, when is Lakshya's birthday? And she's just thinking. Remember that you don't have to specifically mention anything over here that Hannah look for in this particular document or in this particular space or look in this particular location. You can ingest memories in like of different types, but when you ask Hannah, she will consider these memories as a whole. So here, I asked about the brand palette. So, I'm trying to create this banner, but this banner is like very blue in color. So I want it to look more like our brand. So I asked Hannah, what is our brand palette? And I've pasted that output in ChatGPT so that I can use the image generation over here to like generate a better image. Now, why did I not ask Hannah to create the image? Because we have not integrated the latest model image model in Hana. So the text is not accurate when she creates the image. So here you can see that she has said Lakshya's birthday is on 19th September, which is exactly accurate. And I added that memory just a few moments ago in this demo. And just to showcase that, she can speak multiple languages, I'm asking, her to give it in English or Hindi, or like I'll just do that now. Actually, why she mentioned this in Hindi, the text is actually in Hindi. It's because I sometimes talk to her in Hindi. So she's able to, remember certain facts about you, the way you talk and certain things. So she'll try to, like respond in a way which you like, right? So I'm saying that please give it in English, French, Hannah is multilingual. You can talk to her in your own language. She supports most of the languages because the underlying models are also multilingual, very powerful models Hannah is using. And she's bringing all of those extremely intelligent PhD level models to you right in Google Chat, right? So ChatGPT here is generating the image, and so this is how, so we like to think about Hannah as an information agent. So like I have deleted that birthday memory over here. Now I cannot ask the question in that older space because Hannah will take the result. She will say he'll take the result from the history, right? So I went to a new space and I'm trying to ask her the birthday because if I do it here, then she'll take it from the chat history. So she'll say that it is 19th September, but I want to go to a fresh space so that she doesn't have the history context. And over here also, if I delete these messages, then of course that context will be lost. So you can ask the question here again, right? Yeah. So remember that Hannah, when she's answering you, she is considering your chat history, she is considering your ingested memories, she's considering online search results, and all of these, like mostly these three things, they are combined into an output, right? Whether you want to, make her perform certain actions, like set a reminder, set a permit, she does that automatically. So you control Hana to Hana dashboard. You add memories in Hana to Hana dashboard mostly. But when you're talking to Hana, you don't have to mention any specific memory. She will automatically consider that. If you have ingested multiple Google Chat spaces, multiple PDFs, multiple websites, multiple documents, multiple Google Docs, multiple text memories, you don't have to tell her where to look. She would know, right? So you just have to ingest and forget. Then you ask Hannah about that particular thing. She will scan multiple memory batches and she will give you the results in a couple of seconds. Sometimes it takes a bit longer. So that is what it is, right? And you can even create some small text memories or directly from Google Chat. This is what I did. I said that, Hannah, please remember the birthday is 19 December. But remember, when you're creating memories from Google Chat, I think we have another video for that as well. Do not expect her to ingest very large information. It is mostly for small RCAs, text snippets, small learnings that your team might be discussing in the thread, or somebody might have pointed out there is a URL or there is something like that. You can ask Hannah to remember directly in Google Chat, so you don't have to come to the dashboard. So here you can see this memory I ingested in Google Chat, and if you go back, you see that in the ingested memory, there is also the chat reference link, right? I didn't ask her to note down the chat reference link, but she's intelligent enough to know that the user might have to come back to this chat message. So she has ingested the chat message URL, right? So now I deleted this memory again, right? Yeah, why I deleted that? Because you do not have to cause memory pollution. That is very important. Do not cause memory pollution in Hannah because even though she's very intelligent, smart to filter out the right kind of memories to kind of answer your question, but it's always good to have the memory bank or the memory brain like extremely clean. Just delete things that you do not need. Do not ingest things which are redundant. So always look for updating your memories. They also show an active, fresh, and stale kind of badge in the memories so that you can update the memories which have not been updated for a long time. This is exactly the reason why your memory should technically always be fresh. Whenever you update the memory, just update anything about the memory and it will turn into fresh, right? It's just that you have considered that memory. So thanks for watching, and this is our website, hanabot.ai. Please use Hana.